In this video, I'll show you a simple way to add a WooCommerce reorder option to your store, similar to this here. On our orders page, when we go view orders, we can see our reorder option here. And I'll show you another place in which you can add this reorder option. If we go ahead and click on bulk order here, in this section here, we've also got previous orders, and you can see 3 previous orders here. We can go ahead and just click reorder to reorder it all. In the back end, we've also got the option to change the color scheme of this bulk order form. And to achieve all this, we'll be using the wholesale WP plugin. So just head over to wholesalewp.com. I'll leave a link in the description below. With that being said, let's head over to our dashboard. I'm assuming you've already got a wholesale WP plugin installed and activated. So I'm going to head over to wholesale WP here, and then we'll click on settings where it says bulk order form. I'm going to click on this option. I'm going to switch this back to the light theme as well. Currently it's set to the dark theme where it says previous order. I'm just going to enable this previous order tab. You just want to make sure this is toggled to on, and we can specify how far back we want to show our customers recent order. So the past 90 days, it makes sense for this particular store, but you can go ahead and specify it to whatever you want. We can allow our customers to add all the items to their basket, or they can go ahead and specify each item. Once you're happy with everything, hit save changes, and that's it. Like and subscribe for more videos like this. And if you've got any questions, leave it in the comment box.